We know that f prime of c equals limit of f of s plus c minus f of c over s minus c when s approaches c, right? This is the first formula. The alternate formula is going to be f prime of s equals limit of f of s plus h minus f of s over h when h approaches 0. And the third alternate formula is going to be f prime of s equals limit of f of s plus delta s minus f of s over delta s when delta s approaches 0, right? So we have three forms right here. In order to find f and c, we're going to look at the one under the radical side. Alright, so we have f of s equals square root of s, right? And in order to find the value of c, you're gonna substitute c for s, so it's gonna be f of c, right? Look at this one right here, f of c equals square root of c, and this guy actually equals 3 right here. Don't check the negative side right here because negative side from the formula, right? So it could be 3, right? Now, in order to solve for c, you need to square both sides. So it could be c equals 9. So this one is the answer for c, and this one is the answer for the function. Alright, now let's take a look at question B right here. You do exactly the same thing, right? F of s. Look at the one inside the cube right here. It's gonna be s cube, right? And then number 2 is not related, right? You just rewrite number 2. It's going to be like this. Is the function of f of s, right? Now, in order to solve for c, you're going to look at this one right here. This guy actually f of c, right? So you have f of c equals negative 25, right? Now, you substitute c for s into this function. So you have 2 plus c cubed equals negative 25. So c cubed equals negative 27 and c equals negative 3. Alright, now let's move on to question C. Limit of this guy. Alright, so in order to solve for f of s, we look at the one inside the cube right here. Square right here, and this guy right here, right? This guy actually f of c, right? So it's gonna be s cubed minus 5s squared plus 4s minus 7. That is the function of f of s, right? Now, in order to solve for c, so we have f of c equals this guy, right? Now I substitute c for s into this function. So I have c cubed minus 5c squared plus 4c minus 7 equals. So that both sides the same thing, right? This is c cubed, this is s cubed, negative 5c squared, negative 5s squared, 4c, 4s, and negative 7, negative 7. So I just match them up, so I have s equals c, right? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.